Let's do this awesome riff, Eye of the Tiger by Survivor. So we're going to start on this C power chord, we're going to play it, then we're going to stop. So we're just using the side of our hand there to stop the string, so we play that once, stop, then play it again, so C, go back to B flat, play that, so just back 2 frets, back to the C, and we put a stop there. So a stop after each chord, and then we do that again. C, B flat, C, then play the C again, go all the way back to the 3rd fret, to the G, and just move forward 1 fret to the A flat or the G sharp there. So slowly. Now let's try that at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up to speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four.